Okay, even though it's raining, I'm going to go to Bike Park Wales today. Somewhere, always a way to go. I'll be honest, I've just done the bottom of it. I'm knackered. Right at the top. Just look, this is just beautiful at this place. Oh. Bike Park Wales done, ticked off. I've been on a bike for about 5 years, so this could be interesting. Hired a bike, a helmet. I've got some shitty shoes, but let's just see how it goes. I'm gonna be knackered. Already ache from yesterday's falling over on the waterfall. Let's see how it goes. Excuse my shit driving. Okay, you get the idea. So here I am, look. I'm just waiting now. Just here a bit early, believe it or not. But I've had time to make a coffee. Well, I'm making a coffee, a sandwich. I'll be honest, I'm quite nervous. Definitely going to do the greenery first, the easy one. But it's really long as well. So I've seen reviews on YouTube. There's no way I am going to kill YouTube with my video on Bike Park Wales. I ain't got a drone. I ain't got a body cam. It's just going to be me getting on a bike, getting off a bike, none of the routes. And I'm not prepared. Look what shoes I've got. If I thought about this a bit better, I could have brought all my mountain bike and stuff. I've left it at home. What could go wrong? Oh, and my gloves. It's not my gloves. These are the gloves I wear when I go swimming. It should do the job. Because it's going to bloody rain. Right, let's get our bikes. Here we are, look, right at the top. There's my steed. And starting there. With the easy green Kermit apparently. Which is over there. I'll be honest, I've just done the bottom of it. I'm knackered. Wish me luck. Okay, this is run number 3. I am bloody soaked. I tried a blue and a green last time. This time I'm going to go down 6 pod. And then melted welly, all blues. I think I'm going to be knackered. And it's just over there. Behind me probably. Wish me luck, because I'm going to need it. Sometimes you just got to take a moment, don't you? Just look at this place. Oh. Let's talk about misty woods. This is so spooky. Oh. This is just beautiful. Oh. Do you know what? I don't think I care that it's raining. Oh. What I will say though, this beast here, it's done me the world of good. So good. Okay, Bike Park Wales done, ticked off. It's somewhere, always a way to go. And just look around there, it looks so good here. I am soaked. I am knackered. It's only 3:30. I need to get fit. So, gonna get a bit of a pint ball. See what there is. What can spend money on. Well, it's been a great day. Speak to you soon.